Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fancy Gaming. This is the update blog rambling of what's happening so far. Today is Monday when I'm making this video. Um, I am, actually, no, before that, subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy the video. Check out our Patreon Discord down below as well. Okay, now we'll start with the little bit of the update. I'm filming everything on Monday, scheduling I only make scheduling videos for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I have painting videos and shorts all the way through end of March. Um, so so today I had to put BMO down. Last week I told her a week or two she had cancer, so went to the vet and got was gonna because she wasn't doing too well. So I had to argue with a doctor because some kind of ethical dilemma of putting an animal down got me infuriated due to the fact that my baby is not doing too well, not eating, not moving, not really jumping, but it's very active at the vet because it's the vet. Cats get anxiety and they have that flight or fright thing, have a little burst of energy, but at home it's not doing too well. So had an argument with that. Finally got her to put people down. We'll have her earn by this weekend or Monday. So I'm taking a break this week. So all the videos are scheduled. I might take a longer break, longer than a week break. But I am going to be live streaming Persona 3 Reloaded on the secondary channel. I've been doing that since Friday. No, sorry, Saturday. So I'm like halfway towards the game. So if you want to say hi and stuff on there, you guys can. The link will be down in the below as well. Um, just to get my mind off of things. So I'm not really gonna be painting much, not be doing much this whole week. Just moping. I had BMOs for 8 to 9 years. I would say we had her when she was like 3 to 4 years old in Yokota Air Force Base in Japan. She's a Japanese cat. Then was held to get her into the states when I got medically discharged, and from there got her fixed because some reason getting her fixed in Japan is like $500, in the state is like $50 in Oakland, California. So I don't know why is there so much over there. And this was on base to get the animal fixed. We have the base has we have our own veterinarian, and I don't speak a lick of freaking Japanese off base to have see if it's cheaper. So it is what it is. She lived a very long, fruitful life. So we're gonna be in a state of mourning due to that as well. And the upcoming update for painting when I do get back will be orc troll riders for D&D. Then we'll do some ogres for the D&D aspect of the painting. And then for Warhammer, we'll finish off the Chaos Space Marines. And I'm gonna try and get the Eldars. I might get the Eldar because they're selling it cheap at G2K for really cheap. And I was thinking about putting the Eldars together, or I'm just gonna 3D print some towels. I really want to have some towels. I think towels are cool looking, even though they're like very like fond of bombarding with range weapons. It's just that big robot looks like kind of like Robotech. So I'm really interested on the towel. Always was. It's just I never got my hands on towels until I could 3D print some now. I just played my first game of 10th edition a few days ago. Actually, no, yesterday on Sunday. Um, it's gonna take a while for me to relearn new edition. Even though some of the ninth edition has been moved over to 10th edition, we are gonna go to Carolina Tabletop and have someone teach us how to play it. Due to the fact that it's just so much rules now on the just attacks, and it just got to a point like we gonna need someone to tell us how to do a lot of these things again. And once we play a lot more, it'll be more fun. I think we'll be doing more of a combat patrol because the smaller army, uh, first starting out first, then we'll move up to the actual full scale, like 2,000 points. I have about 10,000 points of Blood Angels. Um, it doesn't help I have big mommy Warlord Titan with big with his ass as my proxy because Warlord Titans are expensive. I can also print a normal size Warlord Titan, but it is one of those things that do I really want to, But yeah, so we're gonna be doing Eldars or Tau next. Even though I have orcs and some Nurgle stuff and some Tyranid stuff that I need to paint as well, or and build. It's just I want something new. I've been painting Space Marines and Orcs and Chaos, Nurgles and stuff. So much time. I want something, some kind. I want a new canvas, so probably do Eldars or a Tau army for that matter, and the Warhammer aspect of it. We were not going to do any more figures for a while. I am going back to school in the fall. When I start hitting towards fall season, there might be less videos coming up due to the fact that I want to finish up my schooling, get my degree, and I'll have money from GI Bill for BAH to buy more stuff like another bigger printer, more resin, stuff like that. So we'll have some lineup for that. We'll see how that goes. I might just pipe towards like 1 or 2 videos a week and like 1 or 2 live streams during that week as well. So I don't know how that's going to go. If you have any idea, please let me know what you guys think for that as well. Um, but yeah, I got the Obliterators done a few days ago. I just been going to be mourning and going to be playing Persona 3 Reloaded, probably some Grand Blue Relink as well. Uh, Video games is the best form of entertainment for me to keep my mind off of things a lot of times. It sucks. It sucks. Coffee's going to be next. I know that for a fact. He's on thyroid and kidney medication right now. And he's 17 years old. And he's been 1 year through medication. And the kidney medication probably will spend his life for 2 years. And he's also 17 years old. He's going to be 18 very soon. And I'm just worried that he's going to be going anytime, not anytime. He's just a ticking time bomb, but I love him to death. But anyhow, thank you guys for my rants and updates. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll talk to you guys hopefully soon by next week. I'll make another video of this. Take care. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.